Hello dear friends. As B.Sc computer science students, if you are interested in learning about electronics, we have some exciting content for you. We will be covering paper 1, which includes semiconductor diode and basic electronic circuits. So, stay tuned with HD Tutorials 43 for informative and engaging tutorials on these topics. We have provided chapter-wise links below for your convenience, allowing you to navigate through the content easily and effectively. Our tutorials are presented in proper English language format to ensure clarity and understanding. Let's dive into the fascinating world of electronics and explore the principles of semiconductor diodes and basic electronic circuits together. Chapter-wise links: Unit 1, Semiconductor Diodes, Unit 2, Bipolar Junction Transistor, BJT, Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Unit 3, MOSFET, Unit 4, Power Supply UPS SMPS, Unit 5, Oscillators, Unit 6, Data Converters. All the links given in the below description links. We hope you find these tutorials valuable and enjoyable. Happy learning! If you have any questions or need further clarification on any topic, feel free to ask. Let's make the most out of this learning journey together.